Hi, in this video we're gonna go through and have a look on how to set up voice over IP software on your computer so that you will be able to make the calls from your computer with a local number here in Toronto, Canada. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna send you an email with some information like this. It's going to contain a link that you need to click on, which will offer you to download an installation file. You have to save it to your computer. It's called xlite. So we hit save, and well, we already have it on the computer, so I'm not gonna replace it just for the sake of saving the time in the video. So I say no, and we'll go to the folder that contains that file. It's called xlite. There we go, and we're gonna run the install on it. And yes, next, agree to the terms and conditions. Create a shortcut. Well, I don't want the shortcuts, but it's up to you. You can keep those. We go next and just install it. Takes a few seconds, and then it's asks you to launch it. We say yes. So now you have that thing installed on your computer. It will allow you to make the calls. Now what we need to go is click on soft phone and click on account settings. The information here is already entered because I already had it installed before, but basically to go through the most important parts is you need to enter user ID, and that's going to be in the email I send you. You're going to need to enter the domain, which is basically an IP address, and enter the password that they provide you with. The other thing that you need to do is it's gonna have register with domain and receive calls checked by default. You need to make sure that this is blank. This is the way you would have it once you download the program. Make sure that this feature is unchecked. And that's about it. Then you hit OK, and now you can make the outgoing calls. So all you have to do is just type in the number here, and it's gonna show up whatever you put any number here, and it makes the call to necessary address, and it's pretty fast and it's pretty effective. That's about it for now.